This is that new fancy 2020 Hyundai Sonata. It's the ultimate trim, so it's got the cool Smaht Pahk feature. And the owner's manual says it'll go 23 feet. So I'm here to test that out. Standard parking spot is 16.5 feet, so there's the white line there. And I've got a tape measure set out to 78 inches, which is 6.5 feet. And there's the proof, 78 inches, so a total of 23 feet. So I'm gonna do the little remote start thing, and let's see if it goes actually 23, a little more, a little less. So there's the remote start. I'm gonna hang on to it. Come on. Let's try it again. So I'll relock the car and remote start. There we go, that's a little better. All right, so that is your forward button. So I'm gonna hang on to that and let's see what happens. Pretty cool. So you gotta be between 6 and 10 feet away from the car for it to actually engage. So you can see there's nobody in the car, and it's going and it's going. So the red is your tape measure. So it stopped a little bit short. So I'm gonna see if it'll do it again. So I'm gonna hang on to that park button. Let's see what happens the second time around. Okay, so I'm gonna guess that it's gonna go another 23 feet for a total of 46 feet. I'll just back up and have you take a look, but not too far, because more than 6 to 10 feet away, and it's not gonna work. Okay, so there's the parking brake. Well done, Hyundai. And the car shuts off. So you can see where we started, which was the parking spot right where my finger is. And it went up to the 23, a little short of 23 feet there. And yeah, so good job, Hyundai. I think that is a pretty cool feature. You didn't think I wouldn't try it backwards now, did you? So again, that's forward. The one beside it is the backwards button. So let's hang on to that. And let's see how it goes. All right, there's the parking brake being disengaged. Slowly but surely. And I actually opened the window this time. I didn't know if it would work if the windows were open or not. But yeah, there's nobody in there. So I think it's gonna stop again at 23 feet. And once it does, there's that line. Okay, good. So it stopped exactly where it started before, the halfway mark. So I'm gonna put it in reverse again, and it should end up perfectly in that parking spot. And I just wanna show you what the inside looks like, or the cabin, as this goes on. So here we go. There's the button again. So 1 kilometer an hour is how fast it's going. You can see that right in there. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Like, gotta say, I know BMW has it, I know Tesla has it, but it's still pretty impressive. And now that it's stopped the second time, the car shuts off completely. And there's the empty dash. So we've gone forwards and we've gone backwards, and there's a sensor that will stop the car from hitting you. So these are my shoes, my boots, and let's see how close it comes to me before it actually stops. Again, there's the forward button. Let's push that. Okay, feel a little bit nervous. No one's in the car, kind of like Knight Rider. And there are my boots. Okay, not bad. So about a foot's worth of space on the front side. And let's take a look at the rear and see how the sensor works there. So there is my reverse button. Reverse lights come on. Very smart, very nice. There's the car. And there are my boots. Here it comes. Okay, so again, about a foot's worth, maybe a little less of space. So the sensors are good. All right, here's the inside the car look at Hyundai Smaht Pahk. So the car is on and the Smaht Pahk button is pressed. I've got somebody outside the car. It's my little tap to let them know to go. So you hear the little brake come out, and now we're going forward. And you can see things are moving. There's a good look out the side window. Okay, so we're good. And now she stopped the car, and we're gonna put it in reverse. And you see the camera come on. And it's going backwards, and it's making tiny little adjustments as it goes. Well, obviously not now, but it did make a couple of small adjustments. So yeah, that's what it looks like. We're going whopping 1 kilometer an hour, and that's how it works.